Okay, guys, so today we are learning about antonyms. Can anyone tell me what an antonym is? Oh, Winter, you're very quick. Okay, Winter, what is an antonym?
An antonym is when the two words doesn't have the same meaning.
Very good, when two words don't have the same meaning. Perfect, well done. Okay, and Han, how would you describe an antonym?
I think that antonym is the opposite of synonyms.
Very good. Well done. The opposite of synonyms. Good girl. Well done. Amazing. Now, before we get stuck into antonyms, let's have a look at our homework. Okay, so as I said, today we're learning about antonyms. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. For example, hot and cold. Fire is extremely hot, woo, a very high temperature. Ice is extremely cold. It's a very low temperature. Okay, so hot and cold are antonyms. We know that antonyms are words that have the complete opposite meaning. What is the antonym of happy? Kimmy.
Opposite of happy is sad.
Good girl. The antonym of happy is sad. Okay, good girl. So this little emoji here, he's very, very sad. He's crying a lot. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at lots of different types of antonyms. And I have a picture here. This says in. The ball is in the box. What is the antonym of in? Oh, Billy, welcome. Billy, what's the antonym?
I think the antonym is out.
Very good. Billy, can you give me a sentence using the word out?
I throw the ball out of the house.
Very good. Lovely. Well done, Billy. Out. The opposite of in is out. Okay, have a look at this. So this is a compass. A compass tells us directions. Here we have the direction north. It's pointing up here. I want to know, what is the antonym of north? Winter.
The antonyms of north is south.
Very good. Well done, Winter. Now, can you give me an example sentence using the word south?
I am heading south.
Very good. I am heading south. Very nice. Most birds head south for winter to find somewhere warm to live. Okay, so we have north and south. Very good, Winter. Next. Okay, so we have two pencils. One is very short and the other is not short. Now, what is the antonym of short? Kimmy.
Is long.
Very good. Well done, Kimmy. Kimmy, can you give me an example sentence using the word long?
Her pen is long.
Very good. Her pen is long. Good girl. Lovely. Next, left and what? So we're talking about directions. So you could say, to get to Everest, you walk straight and then you take the second left turn. What is the opposite of left? What is the antonym of left? I have my left hand and I have my hand. Okay, Rosie.
I have my right hand.
Good girl. Well done. The opposite of left is right. Okay, Rosie, can you give me an example sentence using the word right?
I write with my right hand.
Good girl. Well done, Rosie. Lovely. Okay. Okay, guys, so this is our last exercise. Oh no, sorry, we have 2 more exercises. Then we're going to move on to a quiz. Now, I want you guys to help me match the pictures to the opposite picture and tell me what both words are. Now, there are some in here that are a little bit tricky. Now, who thinks they can do number 1? Sunny. What do we think this will match with? Rosie.
I think the picture of the sun is matched to the picture of the cloud.
Good girl, you're right. We have sunny and cloudy. Perfect. Well done, Rosie. You are perfectly correct. Now, the next one is a little bit difficult, so listen carefully. The next one is actually comparing 2 flavors. So, what flavor do you think this cupcake is? And what would we match it with? Oh, okay. Quite a few people have raised their hand. Let's go for Pro. Do you think you know this one?
Is the cupcake matched to is sweet and the brown one?
Okay, so you are right. The cupcake is going to go to this brown one, the donut. But what are the words? This one's a little bit difficult. So we're talking about the flavor. What flavor do you think this cupcake is? So it's not sweet. Winter, what do you think?
I think it was vanilla.
Very good. And if we're matching it, what do you think the opposite of vanilla is?
I think it is chocolate.
Very good, Winter. That's really good. That was a difficult one. So we have vanilla cupcake goes with the chocolate donut. So well done. Well done, Pro, for getting the pictures correct. And well done, Winter, for telling me the words. Amazing. Okay, the next one's easy. Everyone shout it out. What do we think? This is what?
Cold.
And it matches with?
Hot.
Hot. Very good. Hot and cold.
Teacher,
Well
but
done.
I think I eat breakfast.
You eat what?
I think I have been eating breakfast, not breakfast.
Okay. Breakfast.
Sunday.
Okay, last one. What do we think this is? And what does it match with? What are the words? Hun, can you tell me?
I think that is soft and hard.
Oh, you know what? That would work, but it's not the words I'm looking for. That's a really good guess, though. So who can tell me what this is? Again, it's kind of to do with the flavor. It's to do with the taste. This is a piece of candy. So a piece of candy tastes very sweet. This is does anybody know what this is? Lily?
It's a pretzel.
Good girl. It's a pretzel. And these little white bits on the pretzel, what are they?
It is salt.
Good girl. Very good. So if this is sweet, what do we think this might be? If it's got salt on it, it will taste salty.
Salty.
Good girl. Well done, Lily. So we have sweet and salty. Amazing. Good girl, Lily. Amazing work, guys. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you your homework. Homework is this. So have a look. This is your homework for today before we start our quiz. Homework, read the story, and then I want you to change each underlined word with an antonym for the list. Write neatly and be sure all words are spelled correctly. So here you have a little story to read. Fluffy the cat. Fluffy was a good cat today. While playing outside, he found a thin, speedy mouse running through a huge hole in the wall. Fluffy put his paw on the mouse's tail. Then, Fluffy picked up the mouse and tossed it over the table. The mouse landed on its feet and ran away. Underneath, there is actually a box here for you to draw a picture of your story. So what I want you to do is I want you to read the story, and I want you to change each underlined word to the opposite meaning which you can find in this box. So what I want you to do now is I want you to go to joinmyquiz.com. Joinmyquiz.com. I have got the code